Hey comic collectors, check out the BCW Graded Comic Book bin with Partition in sleek black, designed to hold 30 graded comics securely. This bin is perfect for CGC, CBCS, and other standard slab sizes, keeping your valuable comics upright and protected. Made from heavy-duty, acid-free plastic, it offers long-lasting durability and archival safety for your collection. The snap-lock construction and interlocking side panels let you stack up to 6 bins high, saving space while maintaining a clean look. It also includes a movable comic divider and 2 ID slots for easy labeling and organization. Whether you're displaying or archiving rare issues, this bin is trusted by collectors worldwide. Keep your graded comics safe and organized with BCW's professional storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.